Hello teachers, in this video we will explain how to track student data after the assessments have been conducted by the parents. By now you would have sent assessment sheet to all parents and you would have also started receiving responses from the parents. On the screen you can see a sample tracker filled by the parent. Now what will you do with these responses? You need to track these responses. Now how will you track these responses? You will create student-wise trackers for every subject. That is, you will create a tracker for EVS, English and Math. You will need to enter the student name, the objectives, that is the different topics that the child needs to know, and the emojis that are sent by the parents for each question. This will help you understand how well the child has learned that particular topic. Why should you maintain these trackers? It will help you understand how much the child has learned in the last few weeks. If a student has not mastered a particular topic, you can revise that by sending activities for this topic. For example, in the image you can see an EVS tracker. In this tracker, Arya has not been able to master the objective, can the child identify and name community helper? The teacher can now call or message Arya's parents, send the activity for that objective and ask them to reteach it. In this way, you can have better conversations with parents and also provide one-on-one support to the child. Also remember to add these trackers to a file to use it for the progress card at the end of the year. We hope you have got an understanding on how to track the assessment data of your students. For more clarifications, please do reach out to your program manager. Thank you.